Okay, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1 and we're going to ask you some questions. You just have to answer briefly. Okay, let's start.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have many friends, but
Do you have many friends? Yes, I do. And then speak on. Yeah. Do you have many friends?
Yes, I do. I have many friends, but some of them are very close to me because we are friends from childhood.
We have been friends.
We have been friends
since childhood.
Since childhood.
So to answer your question, I have a very good circle of friends. Conclusion is also a must.
Okay.
Right? Good.
Yes.
Are you getting confused?
No.
No, just relax.
How do you communicate with your friends?
Mostly, I talk with my friends.
I talk.
I talk with my friends on cell phone, on messages, on emails. Mostly, I use WhatsApp to talk to them.
Okay, that's right.
How do people make friends now?
Nowadays, people make friends on social media like Facebook, Instagram, or whenever they meet new people, they make them friends.
All right, that's good. Would you like to make some new friends in the future?
Yes, I like to make friends in.
I would like.
I would like to make friends in future.
Because as I'm going to study abroad, there I will meet different people from other countries and I will make... Okay? Yeah, just go on. Be talkative. Be just, a chatterbox.
Okay.
And then you'll be fine. All right, thank you. Overall, it's good, but you need practice and confidence.
Okay.
Yes.